In the heart of Peru's Amazon, Tacacho with cecina blends roasted plantains mashed with pork fat into a creamy, palm-smoked staple that sustains riverfront livelihoods. The street stalls showcase fierce pride as vendors pound plantains in carved wooden mortars, then fold in sizzling fat to bind flavors. A surprising twist is how the dish travels from forest to market. The smoke from palm oil adds a subtle resinous sweetness that carries through the day. Tacacho embodies communal feasts, barter, and stories told while friends share a plate. Its vibrancy mirrors a resilient, closely knit river community.